Shopping on Amazon and looking for ways to get the best deals? We're here to help. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll be giving you 6 tips on how to get the best deals when shopping on Amazon. Now let's get started. Amazon is known for having great prices on lots of their items, but there are lots of ways to get even better deals on Amazon. Let's break down some top tips to get the best deals. First up are special offers. On Amazon's homepage, you can find sections with lightning deals, limited time offers, and other items that are heavily discounted. Check out these sections to find some of the best deals available on the app. Occasionally, Amazon will have special events called Prime Days, where there are more items on sale than usual. Shopping during these times can help you get better deals. Next are coupon codes. On social media and various coupon websites, you may find coupon codes for specific items on Amazon. You may also see discount codes advertised on product pages that you can easily click Apply to use. You won't generally find coupon codes that can give you an amount or percentage off your order total, but coupon codes for individual items are pretty common. Another way to get good deals on Amazon are bundle deals. Some items sold by Amazon will have a highlighted tag that tells you if you buy a certain number of the item, you'll get a certain percentage off your order. Since Amazon is a marketplace, other sellers may have different deals they offer on the items they sell. For example, a seller might offer a deal where if you spend over a certain amount, you get a certain percentage off your order total, or if you buy a certain number of items, you get one for free. The details of these deals will depend on the seller and what they're specifically offering, but they can be a good way to get a discount on your order. If you shop on Amazon frequently, you should consider signing up for the Amazon Prime membership. Benefits of the membership include free 2-day shipping on all your orders, access to the Prime Video streaming service, and special deals and discounts on items from Amazon. For example, during the Prime Day events, Prime members can get great discounts on all kinds of items on the app. Another discount tool that Amazon offers is called Subscribe and Save. If there's something you purchase often, or you know you want to get more than once, you can look for Subscribe and Save discounts on that product. You can choose how often you want the product to be delivered, be that weekly or monthly, or on a custom schedule. When you set up the subscription, you'll get a discounted price on the item each time you purchase it. Last but not least, did you know that Amazon has an overstock section of their app called Amazon Outlet? Here you can find loads of discounted items from furniture to electronics to fashion items. To get to the Outlet section, tap the menu icon at the bottom. Tap Deals and Savings. Then select Amazon Outlet. Here you can browse overstock deals on all kinds of items. That wraps up our 6 tips to get the best deals when shopping on Amazon. To learn more about shopping on Amazon, check out our beginner's guide next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.